Okay, today we're going to do word problems for trig. So I have 3 questions here, I've written them out. I'll read them. You measure the angle from the ground to the top of a tree is 52 degrees. You are 20 meters from the base of the tree. How tall is the tree? And also you know that your eyes are 1.6 meters off the ground. Okay, so here you are, your eyes, and then you have a tree here, and the ground. Okay, so we're going to make a right angle with the tree. Okay, so when you look up to the top of the tree, it's a 52-degree angle. And you know that you are 20 meters of a distance from the base of the tree. How tall is the tree? Okay, so we're going to take this triangle and we're going to figure that out. So if I look at 52, this is opposite and this is the adjacent, so the tan. So tan of 52 is the opposite over the adjacent. Okay, so this goes over 1, and then I can multiply, and I don't really need to divide by 1. Okay, so 20 times 10, 52, and that equals 25.6. But don't forget we have to add this little bit, which was 1.6 meters. So we get 27.2 meters is the height of the tree. You are in a boat away from a 206.5 meter cliff, and then you look up 54 degrees to the top of the cliff. So how far are you from the cliff? So here's the cliff. You're out on a boat. When you've looked up, it was 54 degrees, so how far away are you? So angle, opposite, adjacent. So I'm going to use TOA again. So tan 54 is the opposite divided by the adjacent. So if I put that over 1, then I would multiply and then divide. So 206.5 divided by tan 54 equals 150.03 meters. Okay, next question. You are in a forest, you see 2 fire towers, one on the east, one on the west. All the towers are 40 meters high. The east tower is 27 degrees to the top, the west is 34. How far are the towers from each other? So you have a tower to the east and a tower to the west. So this is the east, and there's a tower. So that's 40 meters. And then going west, there's also a 40-meter tower. So what do you know when you look up to the one on the east? It's 27 degrees. And on the west, when you look up, it's 34 degrees. So how far are the towers from each other? That's what you're finding. Okay, so what my strategy might be is to find this piece and this piece, and then I would add them together. Okay, so let's do this one. So on the east I have opposite and adjacent, so tan 27 equals 40 over y. So here I'm doing 40 divided by tan 27. So that's 78.50. And on the west, I would have opposite and an adjacent. So tan 34 equals 40 over x. So if I put that over 1, cross multiply, 40 divided by tan 34. So that's 59.30. So to find the total, I'm going to add them together. And I get 137.8 meters.